Hi there. Today, I'll show you how to log in to PsycINFO Research Services. First, navigate to psycinfo.apa.org, and you'll see this screen. You'll want to enter your institutional or Divine Mercy University email address. Note, personal email addresses will not grant you access. After you've inserted your DMU email address, you'll click Check Access. DMU staff and students are entitled to PsycINFO access. Personal email addresses are not eligible for access. You'll be asked to verify your email. Click Send Email. I've blocked out my email address, but yours will be here. Step 4. Copy your access code. You'll see an email that comes from PsycINFOnotices@apa.org. Your access code will be beneath that. Copy. Step 4. Copy your access code. You'll see an email that comes from PsycINFOnotices@apa.org. You'll copy your access code by clicking Control Command plus C, or highlighting the code and clicking Copy. Next, you'll enter the verification code and click Continue. You can use Control Command V to paste, or right-click and select Paste, or you can manually enter the code. Congratulations! You're logged into PsycINFO. Contact library staff for any questions or comments regarding login process. Thanks.